Hey, I wanted to show you guys MisesLMS. Here I am on my website and I'm in the clubs right now. Here we have a learning center. I've just called it learning center on my site. You can call it whatever you want on yours. We'll go into that. So this is the LMS. Right away we have two different views. We have a school view and courses view. So school view will show that I have one school currently, Prometheus. And course view shows all my courses. And you can set which view is by default in the admin. Here we can create a school. This will allow your users to create their own schools and their own courses based on what group permissions you've given those users. So you could say anybody can create a school and a course, or you could say only members of this group can create a course and then charge a subscription fee or something like that to them for the ability to create those schools and courses. Let's take a look at a course itself. We'll look at the Permaculture Designers course here. I have it for $600 to get this course. It has 15 modules, 395 lessons, and 396 students. Here you can see the school icon or image, the beginning of the description for that school, and I have two instructors here, and of course HoverCard works for those instructors. We'll go into the course itself. Here we can see the course icon, the cost, and then the description of the course, and some instructors that are in the course, things like that. At the bottom, we'll see we have all our modules here. I'm just going to minimize that. So we have 15 modules. If I expand it out, there's all the lessons within each module. And I have not marked this lesson as read yet, so it's not completed. This allows for course tracking, progress tracking by the student. Here I can see which club this course is assigned to, the instructors once again, and just random students that are in the course. Over here I can add students manually, so if you're migrating from another LMS, you could easily add a bunch of students to the course. Course information is the school the course belongs to, the owner of the school, how many students are in the course, what capacity the course has. So in this case, I have unrestricted capacity on this course, and when the course was submitted. Down here we have course actions, and this is where you can link and unlink to a club. If you are linked to a club, which this one is, once the student enrolls into the course, they will automatically be added to that club that you choose. We can add modules here, edit the course, toggle the course, whether it's enabled or disabled, and delete the course. We'll take a look at edit course just so you can see this. We have the course name, the description, the maximum number of students this course can have, the type of course, whether it's free or paid, and I have paid selected with a cost of 600 USD. Whatever currency you have will show up here, and then the image for the course. Close that up. All right, now let's take a look at the module actions. Sorry about the color scheme here, I just haven't changed that yet. It's a little hard to view, but there's module actions for each module where you can add lessons, view the module, drill down into the module itself, edit the module, toggle the module state so you could have a module that's closed, or delete the module. Let's drill down into this module, Introduction. Here we can see each lesson, how many views it has, comments, the last person to comment. If we drill down into one of these lessons, here's the lesson I've set up for this one, and the comments. Let's head back to, I'm just going to use the bar up here to go back to the course. Now let's say I want to take a look at the introduction. So the introduction has a video here with download links for the video. And if I want to, I can't because I'm not a student, but I could mark this lesson as complete. However, I'm unable to because I'm the administrator, which is fine. Let's see, let's take a look at school settings. School settings has the name, the description, and the school icon. Pretty simple. Of course, you can promote individual lessons using the promote feature here and follow the lessons if you'd like. Let's take a look at the instructors. So from instructor view, I can see the instructors based on the courses that they are instructors of. So the PEC has these two instructors, the beekeeping course has that instructor, so on and so forth. I can view all of the courses that this user has or are instructors of, or I can remove them as instructors of that course. I can also assign instructors to individual courses. Let's take a look at students. And from here you can see all the students and remove students from the course. As you can see, it's divided by courses. And this one's got a bunch. There we go. So here's another course. And I could remove students from that course as well. I can mass message all of the students in my school. This will send a message to all students in that school. So back over courses. Now from school view, I see here that I have one course that's closed. So it kind of views it as hidden. And only I can see this because I am the owner of the school. And I can, of course, see the other courses that are available. There you go, guys. I hope that helped you get a good feel for what this looks like and how it kind of works. Let's take a quick look at the admin side. So on the admin side, I have the LMS and I have schools where you can manage the schools individually, courses, give your lessons extra fields if you'd like, and then the general settings. We'll take a deeper look into that later in a different video where we'll actually go create a school, create courses, create modules, create lessons, and dive into the admin settings. I'm super excited about this application. I hope you guys are too. It's a great way to teach your members things. Like you could teach them how to use the website. You could teach them how to use whatever you wanted. Or you could let your members create their own schools and teach things. I imagine you can see the extreme possibilities of this application, and I can't wait to show you add-ons and integrations with other applications as we move forward with development.